inspection, end-line inspection, right? And moving forward to LTie, it has auto line balance, auto line setup when you make any new lines, right? And in the same time, it also has a operational skill metrics. Like currently, you will be doing it like on the stop mode.
Related to the worker
Right.
skill, the
The
more,
stop
okay.
mode, right?
Oh, it's comprehensive.
Yeah, so you don't need any stopwatch, no need of manual data entry, nothing, right? It's all software solution that is created and automatically uploaded on cloud.
Okay.
So it will be 24/7, you can access those data,
Okay.
right? And in mechanics, like you have assets in your office, like machines, plenty of machines, swing machines, different machines, right? And when it broke down, you have NPTs, non-performance time.
Yeah.
So reduce those NPT. One person, like your line leader, can report the issue with the machine, take it to the mechanic with one touch.
Can I see some simulation?
Yes, sure.
Some screen.
What you want to see, I'll let you know.
For example, like I want to check about the efficiency and in the future when we do the TBM, we want to see the downtime, how many time of the machine is stop a day.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Let me call my expert. He will take you through that. Eric. Eric. Can I help you?
Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Sky. Yeah.
Hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah. Actually, I feel interested with every IoT system because now I'm working in a textile and garment factory. And I try to measure the working productivity and efficiency of my machine system.
Okay.
Yeah.
You do all of that.
Yeah.
We want to see how the dashboard and everything.
Yeah. Can you have any screen or any simulation for me to see? Yeah.
Okay. Sure, go ahead. So we have different markets, different solutions for different areas in your factory. Energy quality, your material inspections, inline inspections, endline inspections.
Yeah. So your software linked to the ERP system to every because my company is using SAP.
Oh,
Can okay.
So, the way how it works. If you want to integrate with your ERP or any other system, two options, right? Or we just give you the API documentation and you can integrate by yourself. If you say, I cannot do that integration by yourself, no worries, we can do the integration for you.
Yeah.
I do have to mention, I know that ERP allows integration, so I'm not worried about it. But there are some other softwares, they don't allow any integration with their systems. Right? So if they don't allow it, then we can only do so much. Right? So material inspection. So you see your different materials. If you do your fabric inspection, right, you just check the defects.
This information is input by the people, right?
So imagine you do your fabric inspection in your factory. The fabric inspection. Just like this, or a bigger screen, like a touch screen next to your
work. Okay,
4-point fabric inspection system. And
this is the defect type, right?
You can set those defect type by yourself.
Okay, got it.
Right? So you have your fabric defect, and set the defect, make a photo. Because at the end, I have my report. So this PO, these are my roles, these are my defects with photos.
Yeah.
I compare my fabric suppliers, right? You have so many defects. The fabric supplier, no. Look at the report. Our inline inspection, so they would be like a Roman QC, right? Selecting the different stations, the operators, the TLS system, and then your endline, your endline inspections, right?
Yeah.
Right? It's either pass or if there's a defect. What are my defects? Again, make a photo, you have your report. No, you don't need to write things down anymore. It's all on there. You run the report.
Yeah, we need to, for example, like a tablet next to the worker, and they can input on the system, and everyone can see it, right?
Yeah, especially the inline QC. They used to have like this big stack of papers to write everything down.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
just
exactly.
the garment to inspect and the tablet next to it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's all, right? So,
Yeah, actually, I see your system is very comprehensive because it's related to the like quality and the like balancing system, efficiency, and even the skill metric of the worker. So yeah.
Because I come from the garment factory myself.
Yeah.
I used to work in a factory for 6 years. We did a lot of in-house development. But we saw that other people are really interested in the software that we developed for ourselves. Okay, let's redevelop the software to make it applicable to all the factories.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, sure.
So we have a team that experience with the factory. They know exactly what the factories are looking for. Right? So this is a quality. I mean, if you want, I can do. Like we can connect on Zoom or Teams. I can do like a demo for you.
Okay,
I can show you all the features. Right? But to give you a brief overview, LT quality. LTie, I have over here.
Okay. Right.
You have your.
I like it.
You have your line set up. So based on your available operators.
This is the one chewing line or what?
Yeah. So based on the available operators and the operation breakdown, it automatically calculates which operation should be done by one operator, or one operator can do multiple operations.
Yeah.
Right? So if you click on those operations, you can see if there are operators in that line that have experience. Based on the skills matrix, right? So imagine you have like a blank line.
This is the line balancing, right?
Yeah. So.
But they link to the skill metric.
Yeah. So this is. So now it's just dummy data, or just with one line. But imagine. After a few weeks or months of using, there's so much data in the system, so it will be full of data. Right? So you will do a line setup, and you can change the sequence if you want. If you select an operation, right? So I select this operation on the single needle machine, skill type, right? And so for this operation on this line, I have 4 people having experience to do this skill on this machine, right? So it's automatically sorting which operator can do.
What is this? This is the name of the machine.
The machine.
Machine skill, right? Single needle. Okay.
Yeah. So we have a skills matrix. There's not much data in here, but for each individual operator.
Okay.
Right. This will be like a list of all your time studies. So the factories, they used to have like a stopwatch, right? To do the stopwatch, few cycles. They write down. Then I bring it to Excel, key in, right? Then make the calculations. But here, in the line setup, on the line balance assist, I have this on my mobile app, right?
And you can check.
So I can just do the time study directly, and it updates the operator skill, the line balance, everything is still balanced.
And when you stop it, the information go into the system directly.
Sometimes I get the question, how do you get the data from here to here? And they're like, it's connected, right? You don't have to worry about it, right? So, again, I think it will take like an hour or so to give you all the details of every individual system, right? So I think it's easy to connect on Zoom or Teams and do a live demo of these things in detail.
Yeah.
So
in Vietnam, do you cooperate with any textile factory company in Vietnam?
Vietnam is starting. So Cambodia a lot, Philippines a lot, Thailand is starting as well, Central America a lot as well. And so that's why we're here, get some exposure in Vietnam. For me, a lot of Vietnamese factories, they did not even know that this kind of technology exists.
I think many textile garment factory want to use it.
But a lot of factories, I mean, I saw it yesterday and today, they're like mind blown with the things that these systems can do, right? I mean, that's a quality solution, IE solution. New solution that we just launched is an LTproduction. It's like track and trace, what is where. So there are a lot of factories, they have RFID already to scan, right?
Yes.
But the RFID scanning is just like a terminal, they don't see anything.
Scan for what information? Just to know where's the order, where's the material or what?
where are the bottlenecks? What is the status of my PO?
Where the garment, where the fabric in the process system, in cutting or in sewing or in finishing,
Exactly,
right?
exactly.
Okay.
So you can set up this process by yourself as well. You can exactly see how long. So you can do some scheduling and planning in here as well. So
Okay.
let's say you have an order, 10,000 pieces. I want to have it shipped by then. Then the system will say, okay, then you have to start here, auto can chart, and then
Okay.
you would have like this is like a checkpoint. So instead of the RFID terminals,
15, yeah.
right? So you can just generate bundles at your cutting table, right? You just tap and add quantity, set the RFID card, bundle created for this PO, style, color, size.
Yeah.
Based on your factory setup, it's just in and out. Right?
Okay.
So with the data, you know exactly what is where. If there's a bottleneck, so let's say according to the schedule, this process should take me 2 days. But it's actually taking 3 days. Why is it happening? And then they say, oh, a lot of width. The system will all notice.
Yeah.
And then the system will tell you there's a bottleneck here and here. These POs are being impacted.
Yeah.
If you don't do anything, these 3 POs will be delayed. It's all predicting that. It's all predicting that. So
But so by doing this, every working station needs to install the scanning point, RFID scan, and we know, right?
yeah, so different factories, they start to use it in different ways. Some say I only want, for example, in my printing area, heat transfer area, I just want to scan in and out in this area. Some factories say no, I want to have it break it up by every line.
Okay. It's up to the demand
It's
of
all
the
up-
factory.
Exactly. The way how this set up, you can just configure that by yourself. How you want to what detail do you want to have it track and trace, right? It's up to you.
Got it.
Right?
Got it.
Yeah, and then our warehouse solution really straightforward. Inventory management. What is going in? What is going out?
Where is this in the warehouse?
In your warehouse,
Okay.
right? Just put a QR code on your rack. We
Okay.
integrate. The factory that use this, they use this to integrate with their fabric suppliers, right? So they put the QR code on the roll already. So you just have to scan that they have to receive. They scan the rack, put the roll in there, that's it.
Yeah.
It's just like an order, so you need to take the materials out. The people in the warehouse, they get like a paper form, I need these materials. So they go to the computer, where is this located, right? Now it's just on the mobile app. So I need this material, it's located in rack B7, okay? I can exactly see
So yeah, like you scanning in the fabric roll, for example, like in every fabric roll they have a barcode and you just scan in it.
so
go into the system, right?
yeah, so we see that the fabric suppliers, some of them they already put the QR code on it, but the system can generate the QR code as well. Right?
Yeah.
So a lot of flexibility there.
Yeah.
It is a straightforward inventory management system. And it connects with your production and the other systems as well. So you know which fabric is used in which garment.
Yes.
Right? So,
Comprehensive.
yeah. And then our mechanic solution.
Oh,
is the-
mechanic you
yeah,
have?
Yeah, it's a machine breakdown. That your supervisor or line you scan the machine, the RFID or QR code. The mechanic on the phone. Line number 7, station number 4, overlock machine has a problem. Okay, the timer
Stop.
starts running, right? And then the system track, how long does it take for this mechanic to reply? How long does it take for this mechanic to repair the machine? Right? And it's like asset managers as well.
Yes.
So some factories that use LT Mechanic, they even start to use the same system to track and trace their office equipment and fire extinguishers. Like there's like a maintenance module in there, like preventive maintenance.
It's related.
So like all my fire extinguishers need to be checked every 3 months, right? I'm gonna put that in there as well. So you got the catalog already, the brochure?
I have, but I think it's not in the detail. Okay, I think it's very comprehensive and useful. But the last question is how about the price of this?
Oh, sure, yeah. No worries about that. So, hold on.
Okay.
You have the catalog?
No, not yet. So can you give me? Okay.
So, all the different solutions.
Okay. Mechanic. Okay.
Production. Warehouse.
Yeah.
But we're still releasing new. Actually, our systems are never ready. We always get input from the factories, from the brands. They want to see this. we build those features in there. So every few months there's like a big update, and then you see new features in the system.
Oh
right?
yeah,
Without cost. So pricing, really straightforward. You can say, okay, let's say you want to start with one solution for, let's say IE, for example.
yeah.
The first one is always the most expensive because you have to set up your account.
Yeah. And the
Server,
system.
database.
Yeah.
The factory setup. So you're looking at 15,000 for one system. $15.
15,000 US dollar.
15,000.
For how many machine or?
No, that's for, let's say IE only,
But
right?
when I do